Hi ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to talk to you today about double clicking. Now this is something that people who have used computers for a while sort of take for granted, but I know it's something that can be a little frustrating when you're brand new to computers. What double clicking is the way you click twice to open up something. We are looking at the desktop of the computer right now, and I want you to observe right here we have a shortcut or an icon for Internet Explorer. In other words, if we double click on that, we can open up Internet Explorer so we can browse the web. What happens is, to click, you have to do two rapid clicks. Now, again, I see a lot of times people really press hard on the mouse button, the left mouse button. You don't have to do that. You just have to do two rapid clicks. So I do recommend move away from the icon and just try practicing by doing two quick double clicks like this. Now I don't know if you can hear that, but I'm just doing two rapid clicks. So then come back to the icon and do two clicks. Now the other thing I want to suggest to you is when you do two rapid clicks, don't at the same time move the mouse, because a lot of times what can happen is if you move the mouse, you're sort of clicking so hard you're moving the pointer away from the item. Now that time I did catch it, and I know it's about to open because I see a little hourglass next to the arrow. So you can double click on things to open them up. When this opens up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to minimize it just to take it away from the screen. So here we go. I'm going to come up to the top, and it hasn't quite loaded yet, and I'm going to minimize it by clicking on the minus sign. Now, if you have problems with that until you get used to it, I don't want you to be frustrated and not use the computer. When you go to an item, such as Internet Explorer, this right here is a Word document. What I'm going to do is, instead of double clicking, I'm going to click on the right mouse button. And when I click on the right mouse button, you'll see a box will open up, and one of the options in this box is Open. So if I click on Open, it will also open that. On that note, if you have problems with things, don't get discouraged. Just keep working at it, because it will become second nature. Some of the things that we had suggested in some of the other training, or if you're watching this first in future training, is to go in and play solitaire. And if you have any dilemmas or difficulties working with solitaire, get in touch with us and we'll try to advise you as best we can. But solitaire is a great way to learn about the computer, learn some of the fundamentals you need to learn about the computer by doing something interesting. Even if you're not a big solitaire player, play it just enough to have fun with the computer. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I hope those little tips help you with the double click. And again, if you can't double click, just right click on an icon and click Open. Thank you very much. Have a great day.